Hello everybody, I'm out here trying to land my birds at night. Wanted to share with y'all real quick. I used the floodlight right there on the rooftop, and I start them at a young age looking at that. You know, I leave them out a little late and make them trap in with that floodlight on them so they get used to it. I flew my birds a little late today, and they're still up. You can see them right there, they go. And I'm just trying to get them to land. And years ago I was over at Rick Mee's house in a competition, and he flew late, and he grabbed a floodlight out and just shined it upward and had the birds land to that, and it worked really well, and that's where I got the idea from. And there's a bird coming down right there. And of course, using your little feed whistle that you use when you feed the birds up. That rooftop was a little too close for that bird. So just getting them down is a chore sometimes whenever they're flying late. They get a little spooky, you know, not too sure of themselves and not wanting to land. But if you just stay with them using your little feed whistle, eventually they'll come on down for you. Or just fly a little earlier and you won't have to worry about it, huh? Here they come. Oh. A little hard knock here. They landed over on the back side over there. I just seen a bunch of them land. Still a couple lingering around here. Anyway, I just wanted to get that on video for you guys so y'all can see it. And it never hurts to add another tool to your arsenal, you know, trying to save these birds any way we can. Okay, here they come to the trap. Yeah, the best way to get your birds back late in the evening is to fly them earlier. But with the help of a light, it makes it a lot easier when you do get into the dark and trying to land your birds. So again, like always, I hope this helps somebody, and I'll try to get some more videos out to you guys real soon. Talk to you later. Bye.